mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob. Put that shit on the mob. What it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 eyes, back on the block, broski, with another banger. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, I got a steal of the day for y'all. Got a new pickup, personal. And yeah, I'm kinda tripping buying shoes this close to the Concord release. I ain't rich like that. Don't let that 11K fool you, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my OGs, youngest day ones, and new members alike, broski. And all the new members in the mob, bro. We getting new subscribers, like a lot of new subscribers every day, man. I really appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up that seat to the cool kid table, you know what I'm saying? You can too. Remember, it's all love, broski, and we'll love to have you. As long as you don't come up here with that negativity, you know what I'm saying? All positive vibes on this side, man. And I got love for everybody, you know what I mean? So yeah, keep that in mind. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I would definitely appreciate it. But moving along, still of the day, broski. I woke up this morning, man. I've been talking about this app like for the past 2-3 weeks. Sneaker Steal. Y'all download the Sneaker Steal app. Just Sneaker Steal, without an S, not Sneaker Steals. Sneaker Steal. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to work on your collection, if you're trying to build your collection, or even if you're just trying to cop some of these kicks below retail for a fair price and you don't want to deal with StockX, my guy or lady, you know what I'm saying? All 6.9% who watching, according to my analytics, of course. If you go through this app, you can get the Orlando 10s right now for $160 already. Didn't they just come out this past weekend? You know what I'm saying? For $190. Yeah, $30 off of that joint. You don't gotta be in the military to have a military discount on none of that junk. You know what I'm saying? Go through this app, use that code, bang! Orlando 10s, $160. Still of the day. You cannot beat it, G. You know what I'm saying? Moving along. I flashed them yesterday, but yeah, man, let's go ahead and hop into these Winterized 12s, bro. They all black, murdered out, bro. Remind me a lot of the Master 12s, but in my opinion, bro, I think they look better than the Masters, to be honest. And I really wasn't a fan of the Master 12s anyway. Like, I ain't got them joints in my collection. These are hard. I will acknowledge the fact that these are hard, but I'm gonna pass on them. I don't want them, you know what I'm saying? They are very dope though, bro. No knock to anybody who get them if you're trying to pick them joints up. You know what I'm saying? I could dig it. I respect the cop, for real. All black on the uppers, black wool on the inside, you know what I'm saying? Black bottom, carbon fiber on the bottom, 2 and a 3, black on the back, you know what I'm saying? Everything all black, bro, murdered out. You know what I'm saying? You cop a pair of these, do you some dirt in. Not saying, no, matter of fact, I take that back. I might have to edit that out. But anyway, yeah, these all black murdered out 12s, bro. Mob approved on the mob, you know what I'm saying? Mobbed. I fucks with them. But yeah, man, moving along, we got these personal pair. You already know the How I Lace video coming next, you know what I'm saying? I'll probably drop that tomorrow. But yeah, first off, before I even bust this joint open, Nike, hey, please stop. Yo, Nike, please stop. This right here, left on folks' doorstep, not good, B. No. Like, I caught the stop. Drop my knife twice. Man, this shit wild. Hey, y'all hit that subscribe button, bro. I ain't even playing. But look, I caught the UPS man at the door. He run the doorbell, ran, boom, got him. You know what I'm saying? They ain't leave him outside. I feel like I live in a fairly decent neighborhood. I ain't worried about the neighborhood that I stay in. But for anybody else, bro, this right here left at your door, don't nobody know what's in this. Well, they already know what's in the box. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be some kicks from Nike. You know what I mean? People start figuring it out by this these white stripes in the tape. But y'all gonna go ahead and swipe the. But y'all gonna throw the swoosh on the box too, bro. I don't know, man. I don't like this at all. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the swooshes on the boxes, on the shipping boxes. I don't think this good, man. Yeah, let's bust this joint open real quick. Ugh. I ain't gonna do the fancy B-roll, cause I already reviewed this shoe, man, and I appreciate the love that I got on this video. I managed to point out something that the majority of other shoe tubers who reviewed the shoe didn't, so hey, a lot of cats didn't point out that these joints glow in the dark. And even the OG DJ Dales, he failed to mention that both tongues light up. He had a whole rant about how these shits borderline trash cause only one tongue light up. And both of them, like both tongues light up, my guy. You know what I'm saying? That's, I don't know. Maybe his homeboy had a pattern like his battery and his tongue were dead already. But from what I heard, the battery is supposed to last 150 hours. And me, with my personal pair, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna be turning these joints on like that and all that. Say if I ever get in position and I get invited to a sneaker con, I probably rock these then, you know what I'm saying? And put the lights on pulsate, you know what I'm saying? While I'm splashing that joint up then, but other than that, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be straight sweatpants and might not even get rocked like that. Might keep them on a display type deal. And I am still Team Xbox, proud Team Xbox all day. Damn, bro, that was my phone. I'm gonna destroy this phone. I'm trying to get the focus on the shoe real quick. But yeah, man, I'm still Team Xbox all day. Don't nothing change that, bro. But I had to have these. And yeah, bro, let's check out that glow one time for them boys, real quick. Hold up. Yeah, there you go. But yeah, these joints glow too. Woo. Let me hit my lights one time. This the PlayStation light that Dale said don't light up. It lights up more in the back and shine through. That's not a shot at Dale's, he was just wrong. You know what I mean? You were just wrong, OG. Hope you don't get mad. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Players fuck up. If you do, I mean, if you do get mad, I don't really give a fuck, but I hope you don't get mad, you know what I'm saying? On the mod, salute, you an OG. But yeah, bro, got these janks. I wonder how they fit, man. I am a wide footer, and I'm afraid that the strap little system gonna hurt me over time. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure I sweep up the flow real good, steam the flow real good, and I'm gonna do the on foot inside. You know what I'm saying? And if they are comfortable, they pass the test, y'all will see them again in the future on foot, some rotations and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause I really like this shoe, gonna rock this joint. I got respect for PlayStation though. Even though I am Team Xbox, don't get it fucked up. Let me make sure to focus on me real quick. I ain't really sure. This camera kinda tricky, bro. But even though I am Team Xbox, like, if you are a gamer, we all started on the Sony PlayStation. I had a Sega Saturn too, and a Dreamcast, and a PlayStation. Like, bro, I done had all them shits legit. You know what I'm saying? I was video game heavy even before kicks. That's why, like, out of one of these Paul George shoes, I legit had to have one. I thought the first one was hard. You know what I'm saying? I'm a fan of the PlayStation Air Force Ones. Y'all know I don't even like Air Force Ones, but the PlayStation Air Force Ones I think dope. All versions, you know what I'm saying? I even like the more recent one better because it got like the jewel swoosh with the buttons inside the swoosh. I think the buttons inside that swoosh is sick as fuck on the newer version of the PlayStation Air Force Ones, but man, I'm totally satisfied with these. I got the light up too close, and they probably blasted out right now. Color representation probably horrible. Let me see if I can get some good focus on this jank one more time before we get up out of here. I get just a 360 on the shoe, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this the personal pair. A lot of cats was kind of mad that I was reviewing a pair that wouldn't mind, or not even like they were mad that I let the shoe go on the app because I hit locally, but I passed on it. But right after that, freight dropped off at 8.5 and I reviewed them. And after I reviewed them, bro, I had to have them. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's one of them things after you touch them, shit, it's a wrap. Like, yeah, I needed these all the way in the collection. In a drop front. I gotta get me some more drop fronts, yo. That's what I really, really need. I really, really need some more drop fronts. But yeah, this it, bro. Here go the other pair. You know what I'm saying? I'ma fuck with them a little bit. Come up with me a nice little lacing technique. Maybe not. Probably just gonna loose lace them hoes or something. But yeah. How I lace my PG 2.5s. That's coming next. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all appreciate the visuals, broski. And we up out of here on the mob. Mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob, wet, mob.